If you want to manage your Lyft account settings and disable automatic restrictions, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the app and adjust your preferences. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on your profile icon, usually located in the top left or right corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Go to Account Settings. In your profile, look for the Settings or Account option. Tap on it to enter the Account Management section where you can adjust various settings. Step 4. Find Automatic Restrictions. Scroll through the settings until you find the section related to automatic restrictions or safety features. This may be labeled differently depending on app updates. Step 5. Disable automatic restrictions. Before starting recovery, use the sr.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. After completing these steps, you should have successfully disabled automatic restrictions on your Lyft account. Always remember to check back periodically for any updates or changes in the app settings.